Hello guys, welcome to SA WebTech. In the previous session we have seen the definitions of each and every tense. Today I am going to discuss on present simple tense with rules and many more examples. Before starting our session, let's have a look into pronouns and verbs. Now pronouns. Basically we have 7 pronouns, right? I, we, you, he, she, it and they. So here I is first person singular, we is first person plural, as well you is second person singular cum plural. Next one, he is third person singular for male. She is third person singular for female. It is also third person singular. Now final one, they. It is third person plural. These pronouns play a vital role in our daily life and in tenses too. Next one, verbs. So a verb indicates an action, so we should aware of the verbs which we do daily. So here generally a verb has 4 types of forms. Those are present tense, past tense, past participle. Next one is present participle. Here this present tense is also called as V1. Past tense is also denoted with V2. Past participle is denoted with V3. And present participle means ing form of the verb. It is denoted with V4. So let's have some examples. For example, play. Past tense is played. Past participle is also played. Present participle is playing. Right? Next one, eat. Ate, eaten, and eating. Next one, do, did, done, doing. Last example, break, broke, broken, and breaking.